My name is Slavcho Aleksovsky, and I'm coming from the Faculty of Technology and Metallurgy from the Institute of Chemical Engineering. And my presentation will be about circularity in the food processing industry, valorization of various waste streams originated from wine production. Uh, we know that the rapid growth of population have led to a significant increase of food waste from various industries, and almost 1/3 of produced food annually is wasted. Food waste is contained uh, basically some materials which are very important for the people, especially biocomponents and some nutritious material. And that way, it is very interesting to how to separate that materials and not to dispose on some of the landfills and to lose it definitely. So the term of circularity has rapidly become the term of sustainability. So today, linear food production undermines natural system, wastes finite resources, and contaminates the environment. The term circular economy means a system which goods and material are recycled and reused, not ending up in the waste stream. When we use a circular economy, we achieve a less greenhouse gas emission and environment, human health, and city economies present. There are three obstacles that the circular economy must overcome. Grape wine production is a very old produced process of production of wine. Wine has nutrition value, biocomponents, and some minerals. Some of these materials are found in the skin, in the seeds, stems, and during the wine production, part of this material go with waste material, and it's the same problem from waste management in North Macedonia, because 100,000 tons of this waste material every year is deposited on some of the local landfills. Wine making or wine production is one of the most important economic sectors, not only in Europe, but it's produced high percent of the wine in the whole world. And for example, for 2023, around 250 million hectoliters of wine is produced all over the world. It's a large amount, and adequate on this, it's a large amount of waste which are produced during the process of production. 1 to 4 liter of water are produced for 1 liter producing wine, and also a large amount of solid residue is generated during this wine production process. Red wine production is the process where the production of wine is with fermentation of grape and using some yeast to convert the sugar into alcohol. The technology of red wine production, starting with grape crushing, clarification, standardization, fermentation, filtration, pressing, aging, formulation, and blending, and the end bottling and sterilizing. During these several stages of processing, the wine obtain aromatic flavor and a beautiful color. For example, for 100 kilogram of processed grapes are produced 75 liters of wine, what is a desired product, 165 liters of waste water, and approximately 20 kilograms of solid waste. Wine shots are non-wood lignocellulosic material which belong to waste wine production, and its primary consists with uh, primary consists of cellulose, lignocellulose, and hemicellulose. So there is a good potential to extract some of these components and to reuse to produce another product, what is the part of the circular economy. About 10 millions of winery waste all over the world end up landfill every year. A huge amount is wine waste generated in the North Macedonia. Until now, it is not adequately used. The new technology waste management with circular economy is preferred method because we have valuation method to obtain a new product. This kind of reducing material mean redesign goods and services using less waste and input uh, to create new goods material, and all of this is the part of the circular economy. Winery can benefit from new technology in the area of waste management for value addition to winemaking process and conversion to a more circular production method. This technology, the extraction of oil, for example, using ultrasound extraction, supercritical extraction, uh, microwave extraction, and some of new methods for separation. Also, the extraction of cellulose and other hydrocarbons, polyphenols, and natural coloring are the main process in waste wine uh, valorization. The using the new technology depends from the winery, depends from the socio-economic and environmental benefits, what is very important for the production. The the idea of valorization of waste from wine industry began with determination of economic, social, and environmental benefits. We starting by researching and analyzing waste problems. This was followed by achieving the set goals by applying the integrated biorefinery process as the most economically viable option and process. Continue with testing in the laboratory to carry out valorization of different kind of waste. Depends of the amount of materials, conditions for experimental work, and equipment which we can utilize for realization the idea. After that is starting to transfer this experimental analysis, transfer the technology using the scale-up method, and finally to obtain value-added products in industrial stage of working. Waste wine management usually focuses on the biorefinery concept and integrated process design. Waste biomass obtained from the wine industry can be composted, subjected to anaerobic treatment process, but this well-known process, to combustion also. On the other side, we use it uh, pyrolysis as a new method, and pyrolysis with fractionation the different compounds from obtained biooil. During the pyrolysis process, we obtained biooil, biochar, and biogas. Biooil is used as a biofuel or a raw material to obtain some chemicals in the chemical industry. Biochar can be used as absorbent heavy metals absorption, biofertilizer, and in automobile industry, biogas has high energy values and can be used as a fuel. Grapeseed contain contains 8 to 20% of oil, mostly unsaturated fatty acids, which can use it in food industry, pharmacy, and cosmetic. After that, we extracted polyphenols, which is one of the most popular antioxidants. Also use it in the food industry, pharmacy, and cosmetic. And during the pyrolysis, we obtained three products. It's biooil, biochar, and syngas. Biooil and syngas are used for fuel and to obtain chemicals, and biochar, as we said, we can use it for production of new tires. To use it like absorbent in industry for filtration and clarification the water. In a pharmacy, like active carbon in the food industry, as a catalyst carrier if we want to prepare some catalyst, because biochar has 5% of void fraction and effective surface. Also, we can use it as a biofertilizer, and in the end, we can use it as a fuel. There are several ways to manage wine waste and to convert into value-added products. The valuation route depends on the business model. It depends from the winery to invest in the new technology and by-product management. Also, it depends from the capacity of the industrial model, and there are three main types of economy in the wine industry. It's a linear economy, reuse economy, and circular economy. We are interested for circular economy, but circular economy involves several stages. It's sharing, reusing, repairing, refurbishing, and recycling existing material and existing byproducts. When we talk about sustainable development, we mean how to achieve sustainable development. To achieve sustainable development, we have to integrate economical growth, social well-being, and environmental protection. The social economic effect and environmental impact could be the main motivation for investing in new solutions in the fine industry waste management, and expected benefits in the potential obstacles depend on the state policy of the government and circular economy, agricultural waste treatment. At the end, I would like to say several conclusions. The significant impact of waste management on the field of environment and economy are evident. We proposed implementation of circular economy agenda, the use of waste wine last as a second generation feedstock is very effective. Cost effective also treatment of wine waste from North Macedonia using integrated biorefinery model. And in the end, I would like to thankful on Imaco. It's one of the largest winery in Macedonia who help us uh, to reach this analyzing model and to realize our research. Thank you for attention.